To fix we couldn't complete the updates undergoing changes, don't turn off your computer. If you are stuck on this loop error, then follow our simple step. On your keyboard, press and hold the power button and completely shut down your computer. Then again press the power button to start up your computer, and once you'll see Windows start loading, then press the power button for 10 seconds and turn it off again. Do the same procedure 3 times until you see Startup Repair screen. Once you'll have that screen, simply click on Advanced Options and you will see all of these options. Then you need to select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. First, click on Quick Machine Recovery. This will diagnose your PC and repair the issue with Windows file. It could take some time, so let it run. If this option does not work for you, then you can go with the command prompt option. Simply click on it, and here you need to type the following commands I'm showing you on your screen. The first one, SFC scan now. The second one, DISM restore health command. Type this command one by one, then press enter, and after running both commands, simply close the command prompt and click on continue. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.